What do you do, family? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Nye. It's so nice to have y'all and see y'all. I'm back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is the day one of Vlogmas, and don't worry if I didn't say all of the things you need. They will be popping into the screen in about 2 seconds, so make sure you screenshot right now. And yeah, so this is the day one of Vlogmas. I'm going to show you guys how I get my lashes, my lash extensions at home, because lash extensions these days are expensive and I don't have time. I don't like to sit for 3 hours to get them done. I don't like to sit for an hour. I don't like that. And sometimes, it's the holidays. The lash girls be booked up. So you may have to, do something at home. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You want to start off with a thin band lash. I know my girls like the thick lashes, but the thin bands is what's going to get you that natural look. So these are the Kiss Signature Wispy Effects. These are my favorite. Between these and the Ardell Demi Wispies, these are my two favorite natural lashes to get that classic lash set. So what I'm going to do is start by taking my lashes and I'm going to cut them into 3 sections. I start by putting the left lash on the left side of my little box, and then I take the right lash and put the right lash on the right side of the box, so I know which one coordinates. You want to make sure you have a mirror so that you can see, and then I'm going to cleanse my eye area of any oils and stuff with my micellar water and a cotton pad. Give it a nice fan. And make sure you have clean tweezers. I use alcohol to clean my tweezers. And I'm going to start by jumping in with the Lashify bondage. This is made with charcoflex, and I'm telling you, this stuff is the truth, okay? I've tried the Lashify bondage by itself, and I've tried the Ardell lash glue by itself. They both lasted me no longer than 5 to 7 days. But when I combined them both, as you'll see later in the video, they lasted me 13 days. Okay, so, and if you take care of them, you can keep them even longer. So what I do is I put one coat and let it dry, and then I do a second coat, and then I make sure the lashes are fully coated in my second coat. You don't have to let this one dry. The next step is to apply the Ardell glue to the lash. So you want to apply it to the inside of the lash, not how we typically apply strips and we apply it to the outside of the lash band. You want to apply it to the inside of the lash band so that you can attach it to your lashes. And I slowed this clip down so that you guys can see every detail, every single detail, okay? So you want to take your other hand, pull back on your lashes, and you want to attach the lash. You can see where the glue sits as close as you can to the waterline, but not on the skin. You do not want to put any product, any glue, anything on the skin or the flesh of your waterline. This is strictly meant to go onto your lashes. So as you can see, that literally took me maybe about 10 seconds to do. Both of my eyes literally take me 5 minutes to do, prep and all. So we have our first one on, and we are going to now go ahead and attach it. And I did this one in real time just to show you, like literally like maybe 5 or 6 seconds. And it was on. And you want to be careful because your eyelashes will be sticky. So they might stick to your fingers or stick to the tweezers. Don't move too fast or will pop off because it's still in the drying process. And I just love the way it accentuates my eyes. It gives me a little oomph. That's how I feel about lash extensions in general. I love them. I applied the last lash, and then we are going to give it a light fan before we move on to the other eye. And I'm just going to show you the difference between my eye without the lash and my eye with the lash. It just gives your eyes that like sultry, sexy look, and I love it so much. So these are my lashes when they're done, and I'm just showing you a little bit of aftercare. So you can use a lash mascara, a clear one, do not use a black one, or you can get the Lashify glass, which is the equivalent of a clear mascara, but it helps to take away that sticky residue, and it also helps to keep the lashes longer. So I mean, if you want to go the cheaper route, get the elf. I like that one too, but this one from Lashify really works, and it'll last you a long time. I've done my lashes maybe about 6 or 7 times, and it's still pretty full. Same with the bondage. I spent about maybe like $60 on everything that I had in this video, and you get 5 wears out of $60. So that's less than $10 per wear, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks. It looks super natural. Honestly, like, you can't tell me I didn't go get a classic lash set, like, period. But it looks super natural, and yeah. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and catch up on my other content. Love y'all. Bye.